Hello, Dad. May I go with the air conditioning to see Jimmy Fallon with Adele tonight?
No, we are going to Cool Creations to get ice cream instead.
No. I don't want Cool Creations. I've been there 3 times already this week. And they don't even accept Pujols pay.
Well, too bad you are going. Or you could stay home and get nothing.
Fine, I guess I will go with you. I'll be right back. I'm going to go to the bathroom.
So you made it. How did you get out of there?
I told my dad that I needed to use the bathroom. He must be stupid because there are none.
Alright, Rodrick Pujols, let's go see Jimmy Fallon.
Isn't he so funny? And that Adele is as well. Where did you find out about this?
I was watching the Cardinals-Bengals game live.
Oh, Rodrick Pujols. You are grounded for 256373626373738462376867868686868536887643785869575757475 years.